Business Mathematics and Statistics, Chapter 1, Application of Matrices and Determination, Consistency of Equation. First one, System of Linear Equations in two variables, System of Non-Homogeneous Equation in three variables. First we discuss about System of Linear Equation in two variables. Linear equation can be written in matrix form Ax equal to B. Then the solution is x equal to A inverse of B. Then provided modulus of A not equal to 0. Consider the system of linear equation with two variables Ax plus By equal to H, Cx plus Dy equal to K, where A, B, C, D, H and K are the real constants and neither A and B nor C and D are both 0. Ax plus By equal to H, this is line 1, L1. Cx plus Dy equal to K, line 2. First one, a system of equation with exactly one solution. L1 and L2 intersect at exactly one point. So the equations are consistent and have unique solution. Next one, a system of equations with infinitely many solutions. L1 and L2 are coincide. So the equations are consistent and have infinite set of solutions. Third, a system of equation that has no solution. L1 and L2 are a parallel and distinct. So the equations are inconsistent and have no solution. The system of non-homogeneous equation in three variables. A linear system composed of three linear equations with three variables x, y and z as the general form. This is a linear equation Ax plus By plus Cz equal to D. A, B and C not are all equal to 0. In three variable represent a plane as three-dimensional shape. First, this is unique solution. Next, infinitely many solution. This is no solution. You take this, the linear, you take it and A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3 is A. Then X, Y, Z, three variable is X equal to D1, D2, D3 is B. Then A is a coefficient matrix. A is the coefficient matrix. A comma B is the augmented matrix. A comma B is the augmented matrix. Next we are going to see how to testing the consistency of non-homogeneous linear equation 2 and 3 variable by rank method. Consider the equation Ax equal to B in n unknown. First condition, if minor of A comma B equal to minor of A, then the equations are consistent. Both are equal, then the equation is consistent. If minor of A comma B equal to minor of A equal to n, then equations are consistent and have unique solution If minor of A comma B equal to minor of A less than n, then the equations are consistent and have infinitely many solutions. Minor of a comma b not equal to minor of a, then the equations are inconsistent and has no solution. All of them understood, children? Thank you, children.